Welcome back to JC Wealth Solution, your go-to channel for all things wealth, investment-related, and incredibly insightful topics. I bet you didn't know how crucial planning for your legacy is. We talk a lot about taking control of your money on this show, but there's something even bigger than your money. It's your legacy. And planning for that legacy is what estate planning is all about. You work hard for your money, and you want to make sure it ends up in the right hands. That's where estate planning comes in. Estate planning isn't just about the wealthy, it's for everyone, regardless of your age or how much you have. It's about making sure your wishes are carried out, your loved ones are taken care of, and your hard-earned money goes where you want it to. Think of it as a loving gift to your family, making things easier for them during a difficult time. The essentials building blocks of your estate plan. Let's break down the key components of a solid estate plan. These are the tools that will ensure your wishes are carried out. First up, we have the will. This legal document outlines how you want your assets distributed after your passing. Who gets your house? What about your savings? Your will spells it all out, leaving no room for confusion. Without a will, your state's laws decide how your assets are divided, and that might not align with your wishes. Next, we have trusts. Think of a trust like a safe container for your assets. You put your assets in this container, and you appoint someone you trust, called a trustee, to manage those assets for the benefit of your chosen beneficiaries. Trusts offer a lot of flexibility and control over how your assets are managed and distributed even after you're gone. We can't forget about powers of attorney. These documents grant someone you trust the legal authority to make financial or healthcare decisions on your behalf if you become unable to do so yourself. They're like having a trusted friend or family member step into your shoes and act in your best interests when you can't. Finally, there are advanced healthcare directives, also known as living wills. This is where you outline your wishes for medical treatment if you become incapacitated and unable to communicate your decisions. It's about ensuring your voice is heard, even in challenging circumstances. Trust funds, safeguarding what matters most. Now let's dive deeper into the world of trust funds. These powerful tools can be essential components of a well-rounded estate plan, offering a level of control and protection that's hard to beat. Simply put, a trust fund is a legal entity that holds and manages assets for the benefit of someone else. You put your assets into the trust, and the trustee you appoint manages those assets according to your instructions. These instructions are outlined in the trust document, which acts as a roadmap for the trustee. There are several types of trust funds, each designed for specific purposes. Revocable trusts, for example, can be changed or dissolved by the grantor, the person setting up the trust, at any time. Irrevocable trusts, on the other hand, offer greater tax benefits and asset protection, but come with less flexibility. Then there are living trusts, created while the grantor is still alive, and testamentary trusts, created through a will and taking effect upon the grantor's death. Within these broad categories, there are numerous specialized trusts, each tailored to specific needs and goals. The power of trusts, advantages you can't ignore. Why are trust funds such a powerful tool in estate planning? The answer lies in the numerous benefits they offer. One significant advantage is probate avoidance. Probate is the legal process of validating a will and distributing assets after someone passes away. It can be a lengthy, expensive, and public process. But assets held in a trust bypass probate altogether, ensuring a smoother and more private transfer of wealth to your beneficiaries. Trusts also offer a level of privacy that wills can't match. Since probate is a public process, the details of your will become public record. Trusts, however, keep your financial affairs confidential, shielding your family from unwanted scrutiny. And let's not forget about tax benefits. Depending on how the trust is structured, you might be able to reduce estate taxes, gift taxes, and even income taxes. This means more of your hard-earned money goes to your loved ones instead of the government. Trust funds also offer greater control over how your assets are managed and distributed, especially if you have young or irresponsible beneficiaries. Finally, trusts provide a level of protection that's hard to beat. Assets held in a trust are generally shielded from creditors and lawsuits, offering a safety net for your loved ones in times of financial uncertainty. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content on everything finance.